Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best folding beds in 2019. To see the price and more information about these folding beds, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5, we have the Corner Housewares iBED 2. Corner Housewares is an unusual company on our list in that it is not actually its own company. Instead, Corner Housewares is actually a subsidiary brand of the Space Master company, which specializes in providing some of the most compact options for smaller spaces. It said Space Master does not specialize in folding beds or even relaxing furniture, though it does literally accomplish its mission of providing an incredibly compact product that is also quite functional. A quick look at the Corner Housewares iBED and you should immediately see a major difference between this model and all of the others on our list. This is the only brand on our list that offers a hideaway folding bed instead of strictly a rollaway folding bed, though it should be noted that the Corner Housewares iBED also comes in a rollaway folding bed model. If you are looking for a hideaway folding bed, then the Corner Housewares iBED does not disappoint. For one, this is the least expensive folding bed on our list and it is not even close. In fact, it is 50% less expensive than the next closest competitor. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zinus memory foam folding beds. Zinus is another company on our list that you may not necessarily have heard of, but they are by far one of the more impressive that we saw and are arguably in the running on our list for providing the best folding bed. We're at now for the sheer versatility that the editor's choice provided. This company does specialize in beds and mattresses, though it does not specialize in folding beds exclusively. Still, the mattress of this folding bed is fairly impressive. While the overall bed OS design has a fairly high quality, the mattress stands out above the rest. First, this is one of the few mattresses that is 5 inches thick and the only one that does not use a spring design to accomplish that thickness. However, this is also one of the folding beds we saw to incorporate both memory foam as well as support foam into the mattress. Finally, this mattress is naturally outdoor resistant. Designers went the extra mile and infused the foam with both green tea extract and activated charcoal. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3, we have the LUCID Rollaway folding beds. LUCID may not have a storied history like some of the other bed manufacturers on the market, but they definitely understand what it takes to make a high-quality folding bed at a fairly reasonable price. In fact, while it is not a perfect folding bed, the overall mix of features has forced us to declare this the editor's choice best folding bed that we reviewed as a company that specializes in beds. This should not be that surprising. One quick look at the specs of the LUCID Rollaway and you should notice that it is near the top in virtually every relevant category, but it's not actually the best at anything. Well, that may seem like a negative. For the third least expensive folding bed that we reviewed, taking into account to compare between the different sizes, this is by far the best bang for your buck that you will find. Though, you may want to replace the strings of the folding bed with third-party models. This folding bed comes with a mattress that is 4 inches thick and is made of both memory foam for comfort as well as support foam to prevent pressure points. On top of the robust mattress, the LUCID Rollaway also features the second highest weight capacity of 350 pounds, though it should be noted that the folding bed is known to sag in the middle as you get closer and closer to the weight capacity. At number 2, we have the Milliard Premium Folding Bed. Milliard may not be the oldest company around, but they definitely have a keen eye for what it takes to make a sturdy folding bed. It said this company does not specialize in folding beds, specifically, nor even beds or furniture more generally. The company is a smaller business and makes it a point to give back to their local community, though the company does have warehouses across the US, as the title denotes. This is the most durable folding bed that we have come across, and it accomplishes this primarily with a single feature. Specifically, this folding bed has by far the strongest frame out of any other product that we reviewed. In fact, the frame of this folding bed is so strong It provides the Milliard with the largest weight capacity that we saw, 400 pounds. This is a large part due not only to the steel frame itself but because it features double reinforced supports as well. This aspect can actually be taken a couple of ways, but on both accounts, it only makes the Millionaire look all the better afterwards. First, when this folding bed is folded up, it has a storage profile thickness of only 12 inches. That is the thinnest storage profile thickness of any rollaway type of folding bed on our list. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Corner Housewares iBED 3. For a thin space-saving rollaway bed, the Corner Housewares iBED 3 is the bed memory foam roll-a-guest bed. This ultra-slim rollaway bed folds to a mere 5 inches thickness and can be stored in a closet, under a traditional bed, or in any other tight spot. Many rollaway beds are anywhere from 12 to 15 when folded, making this a clear winner for small spaces. The iBED has a 3 inches memory foam mattress, which is certainly not the plushiest mattress available. Users consistently rate this rollaway as a comfortable solution for occasional sleeping and have no regrets about purchasing it. It's an affordable purchase price, makes it an even better value. If you need an extra bed but are short on space to store one, then the Corner Housewares iBED 3 is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.